Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell on Coinbase and transfer to bank account. Now in order to cash out your balance on Coinbase, first of all you need to sell your cryptocurrency for cash, and then you can either transfer the funds to your bank account or buy more cryptos. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, first thing you'll have to sell your cryptos. So go ahead and tap the sell button. As soon as you tap the sell button, it's gonna show you the list of asset that you can actually sell. So go ahead and type in the asset that you wish to sell. Then you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to sell, and once you've done confirming your sell, within 2 to 3 business days later you'll be receiving an amount which is going to be added to your linked bank account. So from there you can either transfer the funds to some other sort of bank account, or you can simply buy more cryptos. In that way you can sell on Coinbase and transfer it to your bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.